Guys, so after 22 hours of driving out here to Cape Breton from Windsor, Ontario, finally made it. It's been super rainy here, but I've slept for a couple nights. Finally got a beautiful sunrise, of course, as you can see. This is my first time at the Atlantic Ocean, so we're just gonna get some footage. After this morning's shoot, I think we're gonna go to a waterfall, so stay tuned for that. But for right now, let's get this awesome sunrise and see how it goes. Alright, so we just finished up our sunrise shoot and that was amazing. I'm super stoked. I can't wait to see this footage. Anyways, we are in Lewisburg, obviously at the lighthouse location, and this is my first taste of the Atlantic Ocean. I'm not gonna lie, Nova Scotia, I did not expect this out of you. So the reason I came up to Nova Scotia, specifically Cape Breton, is because I've heard they have some of the most beautiful fall colors in Canada, and they have the ocean. So, I mean, it's not much of a debate. You can see whales, you can see seals, you can go see waterfalls. Like, what else can I ask for, really? Now we're gonna get something to eat, probably just make a peanut butter sandwich, and then we are gonna head to a waterfall nearby and probably edit this video, so. And this is exactly why you come for sunrise. Probably about 40 people on that bus about to invade this area, so. So when you're on the road, honestly, like, you take anything for food, so pretty much all I'm consuming is peanut butter and more peanut butter. And yeah, anyone that's like been on the road for a while knows what's up. David, this bike goes out to you. Cheers, brother. So pretty much right behind me, this is where I sleep. Come to my location, park the car for the night, sit in the back. Like, it's actually super comfy. Me and my dad built a, underneath, shit, I got peanut butter on my shirt. Underneath, we have a piece of wood covered by carpet. Put a sheet over top, and then I ordered a sleeping pad from Mac and a down sleeping bag from Mac. That's -9. You need them in very cold nights. It gets super cold in the car. So this down sleeping bag is super key. I'll show you guys in the next vlog how we made this, but for right now I'm just gonna show you super quick what's in the car. Right here is just my camera bag, normal bag with towel on top. I have cooler and I have my pans and all my food. So later today we'll probably cook, show you how I prep that kind of stuff. But I'm gonna finish this peanut butter sandwich. I'm gonna get in the car and we're gonna head to our next spot. Alright, so we are using the iPhone mic because this waterfall is crazy powerful. I can't even hear myself. But anyways, this is called Gillis Lake Falls. It's located just south of Sydney, which is, I would say, the main town in Cape Breton. Correct me if I'm wrong though, Cape Bretoners, if you're watching this. We're in like a little forest right now, and the sun's peeking through the trees. Hopefully the sun isn't too harsh on the waterfall, but we're gonna get some long exposure photography of the waterfall, get some videos, and then that's pretty much it. just at the other waterfall. When I was leaving, I met some locals and they actually told me right down the road there's another waterfall. So I'm here right now, just relaxing, taking a time lapse currently, and yeah, we're just chilling. For those watching that are interested in learning photography, I might as well show you my settings while I'm taking this time lapse. So pretty much I have it on the Timelapse app on the Sony a6500. I believe it's only on the Sony a6500, not the a7 series. It's a super good app. I highly recommend it. It's like $5. So pretty much I have that running right now. Shutter speed is at 4 seconds. My f-stop at 22. ISO 100. Always keep the ISO as low as you can to minimize the grain. You don't have to use it. Don't. There's no point. That app literally does it for you. You can set it to just do the pictures. Right now I have it doing pictures and movies. So I believe it said 10 minutes for it to take 380 photos at 4 seconds each with 3-second intervals between those 4-second photos. And it's probably gonna create, I'm imagining, like a really dreamy look to the water. And I got these cool rocks in the foreground with these beautiful leaves on it, as you can see right there. All right, so we went to, all right, so we had a pretty busy morning, 3 locations in about 6 hours. It was awesome. It was a really awesome day. Now, since I'm in a good spot, I'm kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Probably just gonna cook right here. Super hungry, pretty exhausted. After I eat, I'm gonna go edit this video and gotta do some other work. So what I use to cook is just this little burner from Outbound. It's awesome. It comes with this little stand too. Just pop the propane in there, and you're pretty much good to go. So that'll be it for today's vlog. I really do appreciate you taking your time out to watch this video, even if it's 1, 2, 3, 20, 30 people. I really do enjoy making these, and I've always wanted to step out of my comfort zone and make a vlog. So this is the time, might as well do it while I'm in Cape Breton. If you genuinely like this video, please leave a like. By no means you have to, but if you want to see new content in the future, be sure to subscribe. And I always love to see people's feedback or hear what people are thinking about my videos. So leave a comment down below on where I should travel next, any suggestions for spots in Cape Breton, or just like anything. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.